Here again, the whole lack of commitment and responsibility to defend the interests of the state, to defend the integrity of the interstate border of the Assam Meghalaya border. Today we were discussing, it came up in our discussion as one of the agenda, where the complete indifference of the government and complete dereliction of the sense of responsibility as an elected government pertaining to its responsibility to protect the integrity of the interstate border of the state. They don't even talk. They don't even try to find out when petitions after petitions, representations after representations are submitted to the government to take cognizance of those areas where problems are there, where government has to promptly attend to and somehow ensure that the process of any encroachment doesn't go on. But this government, I have not seen any government in the past from the creation of the state who have not responded to this kind of very important responsibility vested upon the government. Where have their priorities gone? Is it not an area of priority? Is it not something which has been part and parcel of the promises that has been made by the political parties who are in the government in their respective manifestos during election? Is it not included in the manifesto of these political parties? Has it not been an issue which has been there before us all along? Contentious issues which has evaded solution, but it requires addressing every areas of concern pertaining to the areas of difference in as far as the interstate border is concerned. This government has been seen to demonstrate complete insensitivity and complete lack of seriousness, complete indifference to the issue, and relinquish itself from its responsibility. I condemn this attitude of the government. And the CLP has unanimously decided to urge upon the government to be serious and take cognizance of these problems and engage with the counterpart immediately.